hustle, step. Move, and make it back. First we gotta hustle, so we get the cash.
Hey, so I decided to work on this little project. Here is little closet space I have in this room here. It's not much, but it's workable. The space is decent size. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. I wanted to use this as storage, but as you can see, it's a little beat up, all torn up and worn out. So what I'm gonna do is reframe the inside, pretty much put another layer of wood / studs, but it's gonna be much smaller. It's definitely not gonna be 2x4. It's more like gonna be like 1 by 2 inches wood, and lay the sheetrock on top of that, refinish it, plaster compound, sand it down, and then paint it all white. And the flooring, I'm also gonna do a little experiment with, install these these vinyl tiles down there. I just want to give this like a little small renovation. This is gonna be like my small little renovation project right here. So these planks here, I'm actually gonna keep them. They look old and worn out, but I'm actually gonna keep them because what I'm gonna do is use contact paper and refinish them another color so it can really like pop. The theme I'm going for is mostly white, so hope it all comes out pretty nicely. So yeah, this is day one. I took all the measurements, so I'm gonna do a wood frame from that beam. This is actually a beam, so I'm trying to avoid to not touch the beams as much as I can. Go all the way down and run another stud right to that corner, run one across, one down here, one here, and then go straight down as well. Do the same thing on this side. One wood here, go across, go down, and then have another one that goes straight down. I'm gonna cut these closet poles because I think previously that's how they had it. They had these like closet poles, but I don't really need them. That's that. And I think I'm gonna reframe. So I'm gonna have to cut the shelves just a little bit since I'm gonna bring it out about 1 inch. And I have to add like support for the shelves to be able to sit on. But yeah, we're gonna clean the shelves up and recover them with contact paper. It's gonna be like pure white. The flooring, again, vinyl. And the ceiling, I'm gonna try to flush as much as I can against it, but I don't want to touch the actual ceiling. So I am actually gonna stick some of the studs that I'm getting against these beams, but it's gonna be like closer to the top edge so that the wall can sit as close as possible to this actual like ceiling. But I'm trying to avoid to not actually touch it. So that's the plan. And we're gonna get rid of these poles. And that's it. So this is day one. Keep you all posted.